Latest on Cyclone Fakir. As of 1 PM Réunion time on April 24th, it had winds of 70 miles an hour, that's around 115 kilometers per hour, and a pressure of 978 millibars, moving towards the southeast at a quickening pace, as I'm sure you've noticed. It's at 22.1 south, 56.9 degrees east, which means that the forecast yesterday was somewhat incorrect because it had the storm passing through in the afternoon, but it's already passed by this time, and the storm is now fading away to the south slowly but surely. This is the forecast over the next few days. The islands will still have a bit of a breeze by the looks of things as we enter the weekend all through that week, and the remnants of the storm are likely to move towards the east eventually, and possibly turn near to some of the other islands near Mauritius. Here's what the wind field looks like right now. It's a stage 2 on the CDPS scale. Potential for significant damages and significant rainfall as well, if that's not already occurred over the islands. A wind and rain warning is in effect in Réunion at this time. So looking at it right now, the percentage chances are still the same. Any tropical storm conditions will be fading away later on today if they aren't starting to recede already, with hurricane force gusts and possibly hurricane force sustained winds having occurred earlier. And then throughout the rest of the week there, you can see the chances are low of any significant weather over La Réunion during the next 5 days. So there we are, that's the extended outlook. Now looking at the sea surface temperatures, they are just the same as what they were last night, around 27 or 28 degrees Celsius, but south of the islands the sea surface temperatures drop away rather quickly, and as does wind shear favourability. Look at this, the storm's current position is almost in 40 knots of wind shear, and that is only going to increase as Fakir moves towards the southeast. As you can see, 25 knots or more is the red zone, which means that it's highly unfavourable for cyclone development. Here's what Fakir has actually looked like today on the visible imagery as day has broken there and the first hours of light, and here's the infrared views to show you where the storm's been going in the last few hours. And as you can see, it has passed just between the two islands, as we were speculating would happen earlier and last night, just to the east of Réunion, meaning the western side of the storm's core was seen in Réunion. That's all for now. This may well be the last update for Réunion as the storm's moving away. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, search Force 13 on YouTube. You can also like our Facebook page under the same name, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to follow us or send us any messages on any of those platforms. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13, that's my personal account, at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.